Everybody, Standale, President of Florida Suncoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Hey, here it is, coming up on the weekend. We got several big things going on this weekend. Two really good cars and coffees coming off this Saturday. Fort Myers, at BMW Fort Myers, Cars and Coffee. Come on out and join us there. We always have a great time. Everybody seems to show up. It's a really cool Cars and Coffee event, so got to come out and join us. And then also Saturday morning in Lakeland at Fields BMW, Kyle's got his, got that BMW the Car Club there. Going to do Cars and Coffee there with Fields BMW in Lakeland. So come out and join him there. That one also just draws a bunch of folks, so it's really pretty cool. And then next Tuesday, the 19th, I believe it is, the 19th, we're back at the OCC. So come on out and join us there at the OCC. A lot of things going on, so 3 items. Hey, last week I mentioned something and forgot to do it, so let me see if I can get it on camera tonight. Everybody asked me what it is. This is Projade ceramic coating. Takes just a little bit, tiny little bit, does the whole car. The one behind me has been ceramic coated with this. It does a great thing. And then the 550 and the other 3 series that we have has been coated with that as well. Getting ready to do the X5. So just a great little product. You can go right online to Projade, P-R-O-J-E, and they've got some shine kits and prep and all that kind of stuff. But hey, it works really well. In about an hour, I can do the whole car. So that's wash, clean, and ceramic coat it and polish it out. I mean, buffing out's just like easier than shining your shoes. So I'll recommend it. At least it's one for me that seems to work for me, and it really does a great job. Easy on, easy off, as they say. So a lot of things happening. Come on out, join us. Look forward to it. Sorry, it's a little dark. Been traveling this week. Got home late tonight, so wanted to try to get this in. And probably not the best lighting, but just wanted to say hey and wish everybody well. Talk to you soon. Happy motoring, y'all. See you soon.